Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IAS coaching in your city Hyderabad? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your city Hyderabad. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus IAS Coaching. Let's talk about the features of this institution first. The number 1 being online classes. Number 2, recorded videos with high quality. Number 3, current affairs. Number 4, experienced faculty. Number 5, mock test. And finally, they provide you 24/7 doubt session. Now let us talk about the contact number, email ID and the website of this institution, and then we'll talk about this institute. The email ID includes info@plutusacademy.com and their mobile number includes 8123002802. The website of this institute being www.plutusacademy.com. Now let us talk about this institution. Plutus Academy is the organization which gives the right platform to the students who want to succeed in government examinations. They ensure that each aspirant gets an environment where they could trigger their mind and build a right path toward the success. The coaching aims to develop a competitive attitude along with a sound academic base with quality teaching. For more than 20 years, they have been guiding the candidates for this competitive examination. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone Coaching is one of the best institutions for IAS preparation, as this institute provides a completely free of cost counseling session for the students. Yes, you heard it right, a completely free of cost counseling session which is very useful for every student preparing for IAS examination. The student can register for this counseling session via the website of this institution, which I'll be telling shortly, so stay tuned. Before that, let's talk about the contact details, like including email ID and the mobile number. The email ID includes info@thehinduzone.com and their phone number includes 8800222298. The website of this institution is www.thehinduzone.com. If any student wishes to register for this free counseling session, they can visit their website and they can register for this counseling session. Now let us talk about this institution a while. Alright. Excellent career guidance and multiple benefits provided with The Hindu Zone, hence you should join them and get access to their free courses and flagship features like small batch classes, interactive classes, etc. At The Hindu Zone, the fee ranges as per the need of the student. Multiple benefits are provided to students like an extra support mentor, free e-library access, notes of multiple flagship coaching institutes, a guide who will keep a check on your preparation and will provide you with a quick tips and tricks. So what we are waiting for? Go ahead and join this institution, contact them. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have La Excellence IAS Academy in Hyderabad. In this UPSC coaching center, you will find top faculties for IAS training. The maximum batch size is also 70. Basically, La Excellence IAS comes under elite IAS coaching institutes with best performance in the UPSC examination preparation. The contact number being 919052192929. The address includes 110-223S Ashok Nagar Extension, Lower Tank Band, Kawadiguda, Hyderabad, Telangana 500020. Alright, the IAS coaching fees includes a sum of rupees 1,11,000 for 1 year with optional course of rupees 1,46,000 for 1 year. Okay, the email ID includes laexcellence.hyd@gmail.com and their website is www.laxias.com. Down to our rank 4 institute in the list of best IAS coaching in Hyderabad, we have Braintree IAS Coaching in Hyderabad. This is a very good rank for Civil Services Coaching Institute. Braintree IAS Institute offers best IAS prelims coaching in Hyderabad. In UPSC preparation, this IAS Academy covers most of the latest issues that are essential for cracking these examinations. These are the reasons because of which Braintree IAS Coaching Institute in Hyderabad is a very preferred IAS coaching. The address includes 36432 Level 3 Building, Welma Bhavan, Himayat Nagar Road, Hyderabad, Telangana 500029. The contact number being 09248161505. Alright, the fee structure includes a sum of rupees 1,18,000 for 1 year IES classes, and the batch size includes 100 to 110 students in one batch. The email ID is braintreeindia@gmail.com, and the website includes www.braintreeindia.com. Moving towards our rank 5 institute, which is also our last institute in this list, includes RC Reddy IAS Study Circle IAS Hyderabad. Alright, RC Reddy IAS coaching in Hyderabad is located at opposite Telangana Tourism Bhavan. In our education list of top IAS coaching in Hyderabad, this is at rank 5. So if you are thinking of taking admission in famous and reputed civil services academy in Hyderabad, RC Reddy IAS Institute can be your one of the option. The contact details includes the address being 36275 opposite Telangana Tourism Bhavan, Himayat Nagar, Hyderabad, Telangana 500029. The contact numbers are 04027612673 and 09346882593. Alright, the IAS coaching fees includes a sum of rupees 1,11,000 for 1 year with optional course of rupees 1,45,000 for 1 year. Alright, the Google reviews includes 4.1 out of 5 stars, and their email ID is info@your_mail.com. The website includes www.rcreddyIASstudycircle.com. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your city, Hyderabad. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.